Let's know about some units of time. 1000 milliseconds is equal 1 second. 60 seconds is equal 1 minute. 60 minutes is equal 1 hour. 24 hour is equal 1 day. 7 days is equal 1 week. 2 week is equal 1 fortnight. 2.6 fortnights is equal 1 month. 12 month is equal 1 year. 10 years is equal 1 decade. 25 years is equal silver jubilee. 40 years is equal ruby jubilee. 55 years equal golden jubilee. 60 years indicates diamond jubilee. 75 years platinum jubilee. 100 years centenary jubilee. 200 years bicentenary jubilee. 1000 years millennium.